Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every tradesperson and DIY enthusiast should consider adding to their toolkit. We found this AWP tool belt, a durable utility organizer designed for work, and we've included the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the AWP tool belt? This tool rig is crafted to meet the demands of both men and women in various professions, from electricians and mechanics to construction workers and general DIYers. Its durable design ensures that you'll have a reliable companion on the job, keeping your tools organized and within easy reach. One of the standout features of the AWP tool belt is its innovative TrapJaw technology. This unique design is featured on two of its pockets, allowing them to snap open wide for easy access to your tools. When you're done, simply snap them closed, securing small tools and fasteners inside, so you don't have to worry about losing anything in the hustle and bustle of work. Durability is a key factor in any work-related product, and the AWP tool belt does not disappoint. It's constructed from heavy-duty, water-resistant polyester, ensuring that it can withstand the toughest job site conditions. Whether you're working in the rain, mud, or dusty environments, this tool belt is built to last. Additionally, it includes a steel hammer holder, a tape clip, a monster tool hook, suspenders, and carry handles, making it a well-rounded organizer for all your tools. Now, let's talk about capacity. The AWP tool belt features 19 total pockets and sleeves, which is impressive for a tool rig of this kind. Among them, you'll find 5 large capacity pouches equipped with high-visibility interiors. This thoughtful design allows you to quickly identify your tools without rummaging through a cluttered bag. On top of that, there are left and right side pockets for your speed square, and a convenient cell phone pocket on the suspenders, ensuring that your essential items are always close at hand. Comfort is crucial, especially if you're wearing the tool belt for extended periods. The AWP tool belt has a breathable air mesh padded belt and suspenders that distribute weight evenly across your body, providing all-day comfort. The steel roller buckle allows for easy adjustments, accommodating waist sizes of up to 50 inches. This thoughtful design is the result of input from actual tool rig users, ensuring that every pocket serves a purpose and is strategically placed for ease of use. So, who is this tool belt suitable for? The AWP tool belt is perfect for professionals across various trades, including electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and mechanics. However, it's also an excellent choice for avid DIYers who want to keep their tools organized and easily accessible while working on home projects. If you find yourself frequently using hand tools, this belt can drastically improve your efficiency and safety on the job. Practical use cases are abundant. Picture yourself on a job site or tackling a home improvement project. With the AWP tool belt, you can have your essential tools, like screwdrivers, pliers, and a tape measure, right at your fingertips. No more running back and forth to your toolbox or digging through a messy bag. Whether you're framing a wall, fixing plumbing, or just doing some general repairs, this tool belt makes everything more manageable. In conclusion, the AWP tool belt is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their tool organization and accessibility. Its innovative features, durable construction, and thoughtful design make it a top choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.